Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Coinbase Pro for trading. To use Coinbase Pro, all you need to do is come to the Coinbase website and log in. Once you have logged in, you'll see the Advanced option down here in the bottom left. Make sure it's turned on. And then from here, you'll see a lot more information in regards to everything from what graph you're looking at. So for example, right now I'm looking at Bitcoin to USDC. Here you can select what sort of market you'd like to look at or graph. Let's say I want to change to Bitcoin to Great British Pound. And then from here, you'll see all the different types of information. For example, you can see the graph in much better detail. You can change the time frame. You can add some drawings here that you need. For example, a Fibonacci retracement. And you can see all the different order books and trade history that Coinbase has. Over here on the right hand side, you'll be able to see that you can also choose to buy or sell. You can add a limit price. You can put a stop limit. Lots of different options for you to trade using Coinbase Advanced. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.